Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are facing YouTube error code 153, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end. Follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing this problem, then go to the browser. Click on the three dotted button and then go to the setting. Now click on the privacy and security and scroll down. Go to the delete browsing data. Click more and select all time and delete data. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is click on the three dot button again and go to the extension. Click on the manage extension. Now disable one by one extension and check the problem. If it persists, then next is again click on the three dotted button and go to the incognito window and search here YouTube and check the error. If it is persist, then next is again go to the data and go to the setting and click on the about Chrome and update your Chrome browser. So by this way you can fix the problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our quick channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.